Hi guys, I'm Anne Varney. I'm a spiritual coach and teacher, and my niche is helping people with soul loss. So, what was my business like before I started Scott's 100K program? Was I feel like I was doing a lot of work, or my work was scattered. Is the only word I could say it was. I went from basically having a shop front business to an internet business, and for 2 years trying to work out the techniques of the internet as opposed to face to face with clients. So I had a lot to learn really. I'd already had a coach, and yeah, we did do a lot of things. But the thing is, I didn't learn the techniques that I needed to learn. How to get clients worldwide, and how to interact with those clients in a global scale, sort of thing. Do you know? So, what was my business like beforehand? It was really, as I say, a bit scattered. My niche wasn't as precise. I'd been from niche to niche to niche to niche. I tried so many things, and the thing that I was very good at, I kept hiding from. So what Scott made me do by his program was really look at what actually people wanted, and what I was the best at, you know. So which was spiritual coaching, because I've been doing it for such a long time. So, and I have great results from it also. So my biggest aha moment, I think, in this, was in this program, was that I finally knew how to connect with people, not how to connect, how to contact people, what I was doing wrong, how I needed to get those clients, how I needed to speak to those clients, how I could get them an automation and everything like that, how to be and have professional, so you were known as the expert. And what's happening now is, and I'm only on probably about week 4 really, is because I've took a wee bit longer in going through it because I've been so busy with other things, is really what's happening is people are actually waking up in the morning to messages from people saying, you've came in my life at the right time. I've been getting messages from people saying to me from all over the world, do you come and teach? So I've got a few things in the pipeline that I'm actually going and actually teaching groups of people about spirituality and what I know and all the rest of it. So also as well, I've did a large spiritual retreat for next year also that's came from this, and with probably about 16 to 20 people to Lourdes. So lots have been happening. It went really quick in the weeks because a lot of work, but then I love work. Yeah. So, and I was working really long hours, really. You have to put the work in to get the work back. I also believe that this is just the start of it. It really is just the start of it. I think once you get that continuation, those fractals going, in a short space of time, people are looking at me as an expert. And I do know my stuff, but before, I don't think I was actually looked at as an expert as such. Whereas now, the amount of feedback I'm getting is people are asking me this, that, and the next thing. So yeah, definitely. What would I say to people who would want to join this program is do it. Really do it. Even if you've got a loan the money, if you've not got that kind of money, because it's not too bad. I didn't think it was too bad. A sum of money to do this kind of program, because the amount of work, as I say, I've had a coach before, it cost me thousands, and so I think it's very cheap for what you're getting, but you do have to do the work. You have to be an action taker. You have to really want it also, and have fun with it too. because it's really good having a bit of fun with it. So hopefully we'll see you, and this has helped you in some way. And as I say, absolutely love the program. Program is absolutely amazing, and I would definitely, if even if I knew what was in it, I'd definitely do it again, because I will keep on continuing those resources, because I keep going back to certain weeks to actually see what I've missed, because there's so much content in there that you will miss things. So it is always good to go back and have a look. Okay, speak to you later. Bye bye.